Hi everyone, I'm here today as the president of Vacu-Man Furnace and Duct Cleaning, a family-owned business with a proud legacy of over 40 years, but that's not all. We're also honored members of the West End Home Builders Association, known as WEHBA. Now what does that mean for you? It means that when you choose Vacu-Man, you're choosing a team that works closely with a diverse range of businesses and contractors, all committed to ensuring top quality service and community development. Did you know that post-construction, your new home's HVAC system might be hiding unwanted guests like residual drywall, construction dust? Don't worry, as a trusted partner for numerous contractors, we at Vacu-Man specialize in giving your HVAC system the deep cleaning it deserves before you step into your new home. But our commitment doesn't stop there. With recent forest fires impacting Ontario's air quality, we know how important breathable indoor air is for your health. So as active members of WEHBA, we are constantly striving to improve indoor air quality for everyone, especially those with allergies and health concerns. Remember, your home is your castle, and we want to ensure the air you breathe in your castle is as clean as can be. If you're keen on learning more, visit our website, or make sure to tune in Friday, 11:30 a.m. on TechTalk on CHML, proudly sponsored by Vacu-Man Furnace and Duct Cleaning. So let's make our homes and community healthier, happier. Stay tuned, and thanks for joining me today. Take care.